If I only had 3 minutes to remind you of your power, this is exactly what I would say. There will be a moment in your life when no one believes in you. Not your friends, not your family, not the people you thought would always be in your corner. And that's when life asks you the most important question. Can you still believe in yourself when no one else does? Because here's the truth, most people won't see your vision because it wasn't given to them. They were not meant to understand it. They were not supposed to. They don't see what you see. They don't feel what you feel. They can't hear the voice that whispers inside you, the one that says, you are meant for more. And that's okay. You don't need their beliefs to begin. You just need yours. The world won't always clap for you when you are building. It won't celebrate you when you are in the trenches, working silently, fighting your own doubts, and trying to stay focused when everything feels uncertain. But that's where strength is born, in the silence, in the loneliness, in those unseen hours when no one is watching. But you keep going anyway. Believe in yourself doesn't mean you never doubt. It means you keep moving even when you do. It means you look fear in the eyes and say, I am still doing it. Because self belief is not about knowing it will work, it's about knowing you will figure it out even if it doesn't. And I need you to understand something. No one is coming to validate your dreams. No one is coming to hand you confidence. You build it by doing the things scared, by falling, by failing, and standing up again, by learning who you are through the struggle. When you choose to believe in yourself, you become unstoppable, not because everything suddenly gets easier, but because doubt loses its power over you. You stop needing applause, you stop needing permission, and you stop shrinking for people who never understood your fire. You realize you were the one you were waiting for all along. So, if they doubt you, let them. If they laugh, let them. If they walk away, let them. Their disbeliefs has nothing to do with your destiny. You are not here to prove them wrong. You are here to prove yourself right. Every time you bet on yourself, the universe bet on you too. So keep going, keep believing, even when it feels lonely, even when no one claps, even when the results don't show up yet. Because the day you stop doubting and start doing is the day everything changes. You are enough, you are capable, and you are becoming everything you were created to be. So, when no one else believes in you, believe harder, because your faith in yourself is the foundation of your future. You don't need their beliefs to ride, you just need your own. Thank you for being here.